Hello, I'm Fiona from ShiFio Patterns and I'm here today to show you how to crochet chain stitch. We start with creating a slip knot, so take your yarn and your hook. Wrap the yarn around your finger to form a loop, then push the yarn through the loop. Pull the loop through while holding the end of the yarn. Then insert your hook and pull to tighten. There are different ways to hold your hook and yarn, so experiment until you find one that is comfortable. Catch the yarn with the hook, then twist the hook to hold it and pull through the loop. So let's catch the yarn, pull through. Hold on to the bottom of the chains. The front of the chains are flat and the back of the chains has a bump. If you catch your yarn, as I have here, just push the hook backwards and try again. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. If not, thank you for watching.